चलो तो दोस्तों आज जानते हैं हाउ टू यूज़ वेरियस crimping tools. Loose connection in power distribution system can cause heat, fire, damage to the electrical equipment, can produce electromagnetic interference, and a loose connection in control circuit can hamper your operation or make it erratic. It becomes hard to find faults and rectify them. Hydraulic crimping tool, most commonly used for power cables which carries high current. Silver color crimping part you see, this is detachable and comes in various size. You can change them as per your requirement. Make proper combination of wire and the lug size. Make sure that crimping is proper. Handheld crimping tool used for crimping lugs. Manual hexagonal crimping tool for various size of electrical power cable. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe, and please don't forget to press bell icon.